In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add spin bounce effect in CapCut. This is a quick, eye-catching move that makes your clip rotate and bounce in a playful way, perfect for transitions, punchlines, or emphasizing a moment. First, open CapCut. You can use the mobile app or the desktop version. The process is essentially the same. Give the app a second to load your workspace so all the tools are available and the effects library can sync properly. Next, add your video. On mobile, tap New Project, select the clip you want, and confirm to bring it onto the timeline. On desktop, import your media and drag it down to the timeline so it's active and ready for editing. It helps to scrub to the moment where you want the spin and bounce to start, just so you can preview more precisely. Now, click on Effects. You'll see this in the toolbar or along the bottom of the screen depending on your device. Choose the Effects section that applies to your video layer. If you have multiple tracks, make sure the correct clip is selected on the timeline, so CapCut knows where to place the effect. In the search bar, type hopping board. That's the effect that creates the spin and bounce motion we're after. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to fetch results and make sure you're connected to the internet so CapCut can load the full library. The name is important. Spelling it correctly will help it show up instantly. Once you see hopping board, apply it to your clip. Tap or click to add, and you should notice an effect layer appearing above your video on the timeline. Play your clip to preview the motion. If you want the spin and bounce to cover only a portion of your video, drag the edges of the effect layer to align it exactly where you want it to start and end. While you're applying it, you may see settings like intensity or speed. Adjust these if available to fine-tune how dramatic the rotation and bounce feel. Subtle adjustments usually look cleaner and help avoid motion that's too aggressive for your footage. If your clip is fast-paced, a slightly stronger setting can work well. For calmer scenes, keep it lighter. Give it a quick preview from a few seconds before the effect begins to make sure the timing feels natural. If needed, trim or move the effect layer a little until the spin bounce lands on the beat or moment you want to highlight. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Effects, search hopping board and apply it. Enjoy creating that dynamic spin bounce look in your edit.